This 2019 Thor Motor Coach Aria 3901 is a Class A RV. It is located in Dover, FL 33527 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 7, Slideout, and 91 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2019 Thor Motor Coach Aria 3901 is built on a Freightliner XC-R chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.